Guys, we are doing analytics using Excel. In this video, we are working with structured data set. Okay. So, before starting data analytics process, you have to define problem. Okay. Which means what problem you are going to solve, or what are your goals and objectives, what insights you need to inform decisions. Okay, those are the key questions you have to make before starting your analytics process. Okay, by defining the problem only, you set the direction for your data analysis and ensure you are focusing on the right questions. Okay, so I'm having superstore data set. They have the data of their orders, shipment history, profit, discount, quantity, everything. No, so my goal is to see outliers and to inform what is required to improve their sales. Okay, okay. So data analytics, we have to perform three steps. Okay, one is data inspection, second one is data cleaning, third one is data preparation. Okay, at our first step we have to go through the entire data set to find and mark anything that looks like an issue. See here, I marked, no? Yeah. So that could be missing values, duplicate errors, or see here, invalid formats, whatever that feels off or confusing. Okay, we are just identifying problems, not fixing them at this step. Okay, I mean at this stage. Okay, second one is data cleaning. Okay, it is the most difficult and time consuming part. Here, we only fix all the errors we found during inspection. Okay, we need to talk to the person who created or shared the data set to understand what some of the values really mean. Okay, uh, this step must be done very carefully. Okay, one column at a time. I repeat, one column at a time, because if we make a mistake here, it can affect our whole analysis later. Okay, so this is a crucial step. The next one is data preparation. Once the data is clean, we move to the final step. In this step, we do feature engineering, which means we create new columns, we extract data what we need from the existing column into the new column. Okay, okay. Let me show you. Look here, order id is the column. No, we need only the last four digits, so we created one feature column. Okay, last four digit, so we have this column. This is called feature engineering. Okay, then we hide or remove irrelevant information or sensitive information. I mean anything that doesn't help our purpose. See here, row id. So we are doing analysis to improve sales. No, we don't need row id. Okay, so I just removed the row id in our data preparation sheet, right? The goal is to make the data ready for business insights or machine learning modeling. Once you complete these three steps, your data is ready for dashboards, insights, or modeling. So remember, good analysis starts with clean and well prepared data. Okay, okay, okay. Let us see how to do data inspection. I have already done. Okay, if you get raw data, you have to do marking, finding. Okay, feature engineering is not necessary in this stage, but I create columns for each marking, because it is easy for me to remember and understand. No, I won't get confused. If you want, you can do everything in the same column, or you can create one column for the doing. Okay, so data inspection. First step is data inspection. Okay, number one is you have to count the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, to find out the number of rows, use control plus arrow down. Okay, see, control plus arrow down. See, we have 995 rows. Okay, okay. The next one is to find out the number of columns. Click on any row. Okay, click on any row. See, look here, we have 37 columns. Okay, okay. Second step is check column names. Okay, check each and every column names. The values under really mean the column name. See, row ID, row ID. Order ID, we have order IDs. Order date, we have date. Okay, in case if we have the column name is order date, but we have row numbers here, then the value doesn't mean anything. No, doesn't mean the column name, right? So you have to check each and every column name whether the values under really mean the column name. Okay, okay. Then find out duplicate rows. Okay, go to data type. Under we will have data cleaner. On that, click on remove duplicates. Okay, so here, here. Okay, you have to do column by column if you want 100% quality data. Okay, click on column by column, do that. Okay, the next step is find out missing values. Okay, you have to write formulas for that. Then you have to do conditional formatting for marking. Okay, see the row ID must be 4 digit, but we have 3 digits. No, so this is error. You have to write formula. If length of column A equal to 4, okay, otherwise not okay. Okay, then we will get. For this you have to create conditional format. Right click. Okay, click on conditional formatting. Okay, so here see, text doesn't contain. Okay, fill with green color. Okay, give formulas, then do conditional formatting. Then find out valid invalid formats. Okay, see, look at here, order ID, we have format. No, invalid, you have to write formula. Okay, you have to write, whether you write or create it using AI, you have to know whether the formula is right or wrong. Okay, you, if you have get it from somewhere, okay, from AI, okay, if, what if it is wrong? Okay, so you have to know, at least you have to understand. See here, length of column C must be 14 number. Okay, 3 and 4, 8 and 6. Here 3 should be hyphen, 8 should be hyphen. If it is valid format, not means invalid format. Just you have to understand whether it makes sense or not. Okay, then find date format. Okay, For that you have to write formula. Okay, it's number equal, it's number, column e2, this is the formula. Okay, if it is future date, you have to write the formula. Okay, formula. Then you have created, you have to create conditional formatting. Okay, do this to each and every column. Then if we have text, okay, you have to sixth one is trim spaces. Okay, or check spellings. Okay, whatever. Go to data. Yeah, go to data. So cleanup suggestions, trim white space. Got it? And to give trim spaces. Okay. Data tab under data cleaner. Here you will find trim spaces and cleanup suggestions. You have to do that. Okay. Okay. Then you have to find out. Outliers. Okay, for that you have to find out descriptive statistics. Okay, okay, see, you have to find out average, minimum, maximum, count, median, mode value, then quarter value, lower bound and upper bound values. Okay, so here median means middle value. Hmm? Mode means values, repeated values. Okay, which means most frequently appeared. Okay, most frequently appeared. And these are quite a lower bound is lower bound is the lowest value, upper bound is the between the range. Okay, upper value. Okay, between the lower and upper bound, between the range. Okay, you have to find the median. These are our description. Everything has a formula. Okay, see, average as formula, max, median formula, mode formula. Okay, see, first quarter, here you have to minus third and first one, third quarter, lower bound, upper bound. Okay, you have to find out outlier for the columns. Okay, also see, if you want to find out, okay, see, we have ship mode. we have many classes, no, many ship modes are here. If you want to just know the unique ship mode, you have to write formula. Okay, see, these are the unique ship mode, no, you have to write formula like see, if I give, see, in case if it has any mistakes, you will find out here, no, if standard class has some any spelling error or something, here also you will find out. Okay, so also find out how many times it appears. Okay, just use count formula. Okay, similarly found out unique name of state, city, how many time state, city, how many unique states are here. Okay, just find out that. Okay, that's enough. Okay, this is data inspection. Okay, okay, you have to find out the total number of rows and columns, then check column names. Okay, and of course data types, it is very important. Okay, it is very important. Each and every column you have to check, and if in case you have to check the data type. See, row id, you have to go to the format, click on here. Okay, automatic as a name. Okay, these are all. But if it is date, you have to go to format, click on give date. Okay, check in each and every data type. Okay, shift mode, go format here. Okay, give plain text. Okay, each and every column you have to check the data type. That's very important. Okay, okay, then find out duplicate rows, then find out missing values, then find out formats, then trim spaces, check spellings. Okay, then found out outliers. Okay, this is crucial and most important step. Okay, find out this one. Okay, this will solve our objective of analysis. Okay, in median mode, you know, right? Okay, this is how we do data inspection. Once done, okay, make a copy of it. Okay, make a copy of it, open in a new sheet. Okay, will be helpful not to get confused. Then eighth row, right? Not okay. See, eighth row, wait, I have to, okay, see here 17th row. Okay, 17th row, no, look at here, 17th row. Okay, see here, valid 14th one, no, 14th one. Here you have to talk to the person who created. Okay, they only will find out the right value, they only will give us the value. So each and every missing value or wrong value or duplicate value, we have to talk to that person every time, get the real data, fill here. Okay, this one will take a lot of time. Okay, but very important, this will make the entire change in case if you make mistake here. Then data preparation, once cleaning, then make a copy of it every time. Oh, make a copy of it. Okay, then data preparation. See, as I told, we have a featured column, right? See, I want order month only from order date. So created order month, extracted order month only from the order date. This is feature engineering. Okay, okay, I hate row id and everything. Whatever I need, I keep it here. Similarly, outliers. Okay, Look at this. We have done all this, no? All this. Okay. Okay. So data preparation. Data preparation, we just create feature column. Okay. Just extract what we need from the existing column. Okay. Once you prepared this, we are ready to give our analysis for modeling. Okay, but before start analysis, you should know what is your objective. Okay, so you have to talk to stakeholder or business owner or whoever uh, authority is. You have to talk to them, you have to find the business goal, your objective. You have to define the entire business problem, then start analytics. Okay, do data inspection. Once it is ready, do data cleaning. Data cleaning may take a long time, but patience is a key. Okay, talk to the person who created or shared the data set. Get each and every missing value or duplicate, whatever. Get real data, fill it. Okay, make it worth. Okay, then create data, no, final data set. Okay, that is data preparation. There you create feature column. Okay, uh, see your objective, think what data is necessary for final output for modeling. According to that, create new columns, extract data. Okay, that is for data analytics. Okay, that's enough for data analytics. Data scientists do data analytics plus modeling. Okay, feature once done feature engineering, data scientist will create model, but data analytics don't do. Of course we will we will, sorry, of course we will do data analytics using Power Query editor in Power BI in the next video. Also we use unstructured data, semi-structured data too. Okay, so don't need to worry too much about how to do if we have unstructured or semi-structured data, or how to do using Python, or how to do using Power Query editor. We will cover everything in the upcoming videos. Okay, okay then, practice it. Thank you.